हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल एडू अपडेट। आज हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं जेट एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म की। सो एज वी ऑलरेडी नो दैट जेट एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म हैज़ ऑलरेडी बीन रिलीज्ड ऑन 12th of September, and today I am going to show you how to fill that form without any error issues, and so it would be good for all the students, so later on need not to suffer in any kind of situations. So let's begin without wasting time. I just wanted to let you know to please subscribe the channel if you came to the channel for the first time, and yeah, click on the bell icon as well to get all the notifications of my upcoming videos. So moving towards the Z application form, so here we can see I have opened the Z application 2021, where you will find two options: login and register. So you are the hoping you guys are the first time users, so you just need to register first, and after that you need to log in it again, and you have to fill all the application form, complete application form. So before this, for the registration, they are on clicking on the registration, you will get this one pop-up message where you have to fill your name, email ID, your mobile number, and your password. So the type of password would be the combination of alphanumeric one, and along with that you have to select your state as well as the captcha. You have to enter it again. Once you're done with that, you'll get the notification like this, that thank you for registration with Z 2021, and with your email ID you will get one email on your mailbox. And on opening on that, you will find one box where you will find a verify email written on. So you need to click on that, and once you will click on that, you will again jump up to the main website of your Z application form. So there you will find two options: Z application form and GMAT application form. So here we are going to fill the Z application form first. So we are going to click on apply now. On the clicking of that, you'll be jump up to another window which you where you will see total 9 steps which you need to follow for the completion of application form. So here it will start from personal details, then parents details, then address details, academic details, then program details, then work experience if any, then yeah, upload documents, and then declaration, and then uh, payment. So these are the 9 steps total which you have to fill. Starting from the very first, that is personal details. So here personal details, on here we are having a fields of title, then first name, middle name, last name, then email address, alternate email address. So you need to fill those one who are having an asterisk sign just behind the red asterisk sign. So those are the compulsory ones. Then after that, your mobile number, and then birth date, then gender. Here you need to think twice before filling this, because you have to fill it very accurately. This kind of details will not be changed in any further process. Next stage is to fill the parents details. Here you have to fill your father detail and your mother detail along with their salary. So in father, you have to fill their title, father's title, then name of your father, then address, complete address, then their contact number along with their occupation, job occupation, and their annual income. And along with this, you have to fill your mother details as well, where you have to fill mother title, mother name. Here I want to highlight one point, that is the name which you have entered of yourself should match to the name which is appearing in your 10th or 12th mark sheet, as these kind of details will not be changed in future. So recheck twice before you save and submit those details. And after that, moving towards the address detail, here on the third tab you have to fill the complete address detail from which you can get communicated. So here you have to mention your country name, district, city, address line 1 and address line 2, then pin code. So those who are having us asterisk mark along with the field name, so you have to enter those details compulsorily, and there no one is going to communicate on this particular address. It is just for the general sake. And after that, you have to fill your academic details, that is your 10th and 12th details. So you are having a both options, CGPA as well as percentile. So if you have qualified for the 12th examination, you can click on the checkbox of 12th, and if you are from a diploma holder, then you have to click on that particular checkbox. So on clicking of that, you will find more such fields to enter that particular clarification. So I am a 12th holder, so I am going to fill that detail. So here I have to mention my institute name, board name, then year of passing, mark sheet scheme, that is of semester pattern or yearly pattern, then maximum marks and minimum marks, whatever it may be. So those details you have to mention, and automatically your percentage or CGPA will be calculated on the basis of the marks which you have mentioned in that. That on clicking of the 12th checkbox, so here few fields would appear. So on that you have to mention your state for the 12th examination, then city, then institute name, that is, and university name along with that, then stream, that is science, commerce or others. So I am I am from the science background, so I'll select science, then year of passing, then marking schemes, maximum marks, obtained marks, and along with the percentage and CGPA, which would be calculated based upon the marks which you are going to enter there. As marks are the important factors, so recheck all the marks and the digits which you have entered here along with the college details. Now moving towards the work experience and educational details. So here you have to enter your graduation details. So what is your graduation status? Are you currently pursuing, or are you in a final year, or have you already passed out? So I am a passed out candidate, so I am going to mention it there. As so accordingly you have to mention about yourself, and later on you have to enter your graduation state, then graduation board, then graduation college, graduation university, then graduation exam pattern, graduation current semester. So if you are in current semester, then write it down there in which semester you are, or if you are not in any, means if you have already passed out, then just write it there, NA, that is not applicable. Afterwards you have to fill your graduation details like your year of passing, then maximum obtained marks, and later on you will find one additional option, that is, do you have a post graduation degree? So most of you must not be having any post graduation degree, so you will enter there no. And after that, regarding your work experience, if you are a work ex candidate, then mention it there. It will definitely give added advantage to your profile, and it will make your profile strong. So if you having any kind of work ex from any industry, any industrial sector, so you just mention it there. Else you can simply mention no there, so that it won't show any kind of work ex of yours, and you just need to submit it on. So once clicking on the submit, you will directly jump to the next step, that is program details. So here you will find an option for XLRI, that is Xavier's Labor Research Institution. You already know that the XAT application is particularly for XLRI, and later on this XAT entrance test scores would be accepted by other colleges as well. So particularly it is for XLRI, so they are giving an option that if you want to apply from the same website, you can apply it on, need not to apply anywhere else. So the course which you are going to apply for will be opted for both the centers of, like, both the branches of XLRI. And so they have total two branches, that is first in Jamshedpur, which is the main one, and the second one which has recently inaugurated, so it is in Delhi. So these are the two options. So it will means if you will select any of the above program, your scores will be sent to both of the colleges, and based upon their criteria and cutoff, you are going to select. So after that you have to enter your CT details and your preference details, like the test center. For the test center, you have to select your particular city for which it would be convenient for you to go there and to give the test. Once you'll select all those options, just click on the next option, and here you'll jump up to next tab, that is upload documents. Here you have to upload your general documents such as your passport size photo, then for signature, then 10th certificate, 12th certificate, then upload your graduation certificate, along with, if you are having any experience certificate, then click it on, and just select the document, else leave it as it is. So once you'll upload all the documents in a particular mandatory sizes and formats, so you can click on the next option. On the clicking of next option, you'll redirect to the declaration form, which is not the last but the second last option, a step of the whole application form, and which is the most important step. Here you'll find few options, like here you'll check your name, your surname, your middle name with the current date, means the date on which you are applying this for application form. And later on you'll find one option, that is preview, which is most important button in the complete application form. So on the clicking of that, you will be able to find a complete details which you have entered in last 7 steps, so that you can preview it out before submitting it finally. So just check it once twice, because after later on stage you won't get any chance to get all those details corrected. So now it's the chance, so just check it once twice, and then finally click on the submit button. Once you'll click on the continue, you will get an option to do the payment. The final as per your selection of the programs, you'll get a final value which you need to pay. After payment acknowledgement, you'll get a receipt of your payment, and this is done. This is all about the Z application form. Hope you guys learned many things, and just comment it down if you have any doubts in the future as well. And don't forget to subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon to get all the notifications in upcoming. Hope you have a nice day ahead. Thank you. This is all from today.